At the hull frame welding station, armor steel components are assembled using advanced GMW equipment, forming the protective structure of the Paladin.
Initiate the sequence on the main bolts.
Torquing hydraulics engaged. Pressure looks good.
Rotation test confirms minimal runout.
The advanced torsion bar suspension system is critical. Using calibrated hydraulic equipment, we apply precise preload.
Check tension gauges now.
Holding steady at 2 inches.
Initiating rotation test. Clear the track.
The engine and transmission assembly undergoes comprehensive testing on the dynamometer, verifying performance parameters before integration into the Paladin hull.
Coming in now, watch your guides.
Mounts aligned on the left.
Right side clear, send it down.
Is the housing seated correctly?
Confirmed. Starting torque sequence on the left bank.
We're ready for the rotation test whenever you are.
Are these connectors fully seated?
Yes, they're locked. Go ahead and secure the clamps.
Specialists use calibrated torque wrenches to ensure every O-ring face seal connection is leak-free, verifying system integrity.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch your clearance on the starboard side. Holding steady.
Locking pins engaged. Pressure looks good.
Verify connection on the J3 harness.
Confirmed. System shows green across the board. Ready for cycle test.
Finalizing the sensor connections now.
Diagnostics complete. All systems reporting nominal parameters.
Radio check on the primary net. How's the signal holding up? Installing the encryption module now. Make sure the KDU is synced.
All green on tactical displays and data links.
Override controls active. Confirming operational status.
Integration complete. Ready for mission.
Hydraulic controls are responding normally.
Confirmed. The ballistic solution is stable across all simulated ranges.
Engaging steering controls. Check the track response.
Track engaging.
All pressures look good on the primary display.
Secure that latch. Retention system engaged. Move the next charge into position.
How are the seals holding up on the starboard intake? Holding steady. Positive pressure confirmed. Engaging recirculation filters now.
Connect the primary actuator harness now. Thermal sensors are mounted and secure. Initiating the activation sequence test.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Good. Let's cycle the fans now.
Initiating fan cycle.
Pressure test initiating on tank assembly 1. Holding steady, no leaks detected. Installing the exhaust system requires precision. From the manifolds to the muffler, every component must be secured with heat shielding to manage the extreme temperatures.
Did you check the restriction indicators on the primary filter?
Yes, they're showing clear. We're good to seal it up.
Connections properly torqued.
Voltage stable across all modules. Initiating load test now.
Ventilation active. System green.
All right, start her up. Let's check the output.
Systems look good. Holding steady at 28 volts.
Final approach. Confirming position over bearing race.
Confirmed. Guide pins engaged. Locking sequence initiated.
Status update on drive rotation.
Rotation is smooth up to 50% power.
Copy that. Documenting results now.
Cycling the elevation actuator. Monitor the flow rate.
Rerunning the fire control diagnostics now. Systems look nominal.
Affirmative. Confirming GPS lock and data transfer rate is stable.
Alignment check on the primary site.
Confirmed. Holding steady at 0.2 mils.
Entering offset data now. System status is green.
Radio check. This is Station Alpha. How copy? Station Alpha, reading you loud and clear. Intercom check complete.
Sequence start. Rammer engaged. Projectile seated. Cycling complete. Charge loaded. System status green.
Verify the turret traverse on the functional test report.
Confirmed. It meets all contractual specifications.
Excellent. Authorizing delivery and signing the acceptance form now.
Hold your position right there. Brake set.
Roger. Moving to secure chains. Tensioning front binders now.
All right, everyone, gather round. This Paladin is a major upgrade, but safety is paramount. Let's review the new operating procedures.
Inspection complete, fluid levels checked and topped.
All right, let's get the acceptance paperwork signed off.
We must prioritize experienced 13B cannon crew members for the initial assignments. These individuals here have the required technical proficiency.
Too sharp on that pivot, driver. Ease up on the left lever. Maintain situational awareness and check those mirrors.
Primary site overlay here. Calibrate thermal. Okay, fire mission. Platoon right, smoke.
Platoon right, smoke.
Hold. Deflection is off. Check your input. Recalibrate now.
All right, watch your hands on the rotating band. We're doing a 2-man lift on this one.
Clear. Lifting on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fire mission. Adjust fire, danger close. Stand by for data.
Adjust fire, danger close. Gunner, on the way. Driver, move out.
This diagnostic equipment streamlines troubleshooting. Now, let's look at the track adjustment procedures and the required torque specs for the bolts.
How is the AFTDS integration progressing?
Primary systems are linked, sending the digital fire mission now.
Fire mission successful. Paladin is integrated into the network.
Fire mission received. Loading AT-AT round.
Send it.
Splash. Target adjusted.
Fire for effect.
Ensure the coolant levels are topped off, and inspect those electrical connections for corrosion.
Road march copied. Alpha Company, prepare to peel off at the next access point.
Alpha 6, roger. Moving to the objective rally point.
Shot, over. Pack up, move. Moving to waypoint Charlie. Utilizing thermal overlay. Acquired 3 targets, warm signatures confirmed.
Good contrast. Engaging target 1.
Contamination detected, level 2. Seal the hatch. Traverse right, engage target.
Observing impacts west of the target. Adjusting fire.
Good effect on target, shifting fire north.
Congratulations. This certification confirms your battalion is combat ready and prepared to support operations worldwide.
This control chart highlights the excursions in Q3. Based on this root cause analysis, we need to finalize.
Dimensions checked out on the CMM?
Our sustainability initiatives ensure that we meet the highest environmental standards, utilizing advanced wastewater treatment.
This foundational training is critical. We ensure every graduate meets the rigorous standards necessary for production.
The Q3 production schedule confirms the delivery of the initial Paladin systems by year-end.
This directly supports our...
Look at this traffic spike originating from the supplier network.
It matches the exploit signature, initiating containment protocols now.
I need that shipment expedited immediately, and we're showing a critical shortage.
We have to update the master schedule. The bottleneck is impacting final assembly.
The proposed change reduces cost without affecting form or fit. We should approve it.
Agreed. If we integrate the enhanced digital comms here, the automated loader cycle time should decrease.
We need to verify the...
We need that lift on the powertrain install now.
Bringing it over. Watch the clearance on the turret ring.
We're showing a consistent error code 4909er on the diagnostic unit.
The voltage regulator looks good, but the readings are unstable.
Maintaining our strategic edge requires continuous government investment in the defense industrial base, ensuring we have the technology transfer mechanisms and skilled workforce needed for the future.
For over 6 decades, the M109 Paladin has remained at the forefront of artillery capability.
The diagnostic data confirms the calibration is within parameters.
Ensure the connection point seats exactly here before we torque it down.
Accuracy improved significantly with the recent software patch.
Integrating AI and hypersonics is critical here. Look at the projected capabilities. We need to secure the funding for Q3 prototyping now.